Experiencing trouble logging into your Ticketmaster app? You're not alone. In 2025, common login issues stem from increased security measures designed to combat fraud and scalping. These enhanced security measures include multi-factor authentication, advanced bot detection, and dynamic waiting rooms. While these protect users, they can sometimes cause legitimate login difficulties. First, force close and restart the app. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes your connection to Ticketmaster's servers. On iOS, double-tap the Home button and swipe up on Ticketmaster. On Android, use the Recent Apps button and swipe away Ticketmaster. Second, clear the app's cache and data. This removes stored information that might be causing conflicts with the login process. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then Ticketmaster, then Storage, and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. For iOS users, you'll need to delete and reinstall the app completely. Third, check your internet connection. Poor connectivity is a common cause of login failures, especially during high-demand ticket sales. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, temporarily disable VPN services, and test your connection speed. Ticketmaster recommends a minimum of 1 Gbps for reliable access. If these quick fixes don't resolve your login issues, don't worry. There are more advanced troubleshooting methods available. When quick fixes don't work, advanced solutions are needed. Start with password and account recovery using the Forgot Password feature with your primary email address. Always check your spam or junk folders for the password reset email. If you don't receive it, contact customer service to verify your account hasn't been compromised or suspended. Next, optimize your device and browser. Update to the latest app version and clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove stored data that might interfere with login. Disable ad blockers and privacy extensions that might block Ticketmaster's authentication systems. Try incognito or private browsing mode to rule out conflicts with browser extensions. For network and security settings, whitelist Ticketmaster domains in your firewall and temporarily disable antivirus software that might block the connection. Ensure your device's date and time settings are accurate, as incorrect timestamps can cause authentication failures. If necessary, reset your network settings to resolve connectivity issues. Understanding Ticketmaster's security architecture helps explain login challenges. The system uses multiple verification layers, including primary authentication, device recognition, behavioral analysis, and geographic validation. Stay proactive with account maintenance to prevent future login issues. Regular password updates every 90 days and keeping your contact information current will help ensure smooth access to your Ticketmaster account.